Okay, so yeah, hi everyone, hi all of you. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. So welcome to the live stream only onto the YouTube channel, Fun with Data Science. I hope you all are doing super good at your ends. Just allow me a minute. I am just gonna read out your comments. Just a second, everyone. So yes, thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining in over here for this live stream. Happy to have you all here today. Just a minute. Okay, yeah, so hi Ankit, I'm doing good. Thank you. Thanks a lot for asking, and I hope you are also doing good at your end. Hi Shalini, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Sneha, welcome to live stream. Hope you are doing good. Just allow me a minute, guys. I'm not sure why this internet is not working at my end. Just give me a sec, everyone. So yes, I hope you all are doing super good, and maybe like whatever is going on to the channel, you all are watching out the videos, whatever the content I am putting in for you all and everything, right? If you people can show me some yes or some no's in the chat box, I'll be really happy to check out all those things for you all. Hi Krishpu, thank you, thanks a lot for joining, and welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. So awesome, everyone. Glad to have you people over here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll very quickly brief you out like what's going on to the channel right now. Okay, and further how proceeding is. So currently onto the channel on, I'll maybe say onto your Mondays, we have the videos related to your generalized videos as in how you can start earning, what is freelancing, the platforms about freelancing, some things about my journey, how I started my freelancing journey at the age of 18, how it all went, right, and all those stuffs like that I help you out with on Mondays. Tuesdays are the compilation of some videos. Moving towards your Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays, it belongs to your Python for data structures, right, which we are currently covering in for you people, so that you can get on a good understanding about the data structures and algorithms, and you can crack in some good companies, maybe your dream man companies, right? That's what we are doing. Saturdays are your live streams, and Sundays you just get in some either informative videos, or you get in some short videos, or you get in some internship videos. So yeah, it's all about the same, which is currently going on to the channel. So yeah, anytime all of the I'll say the suggestions are appreciated by you people at any sort of time. If you want me that this should be done or that should be done, I'm really happy to have your all suggestions over here, and very happy to put them down. Okay, Harshvardhan, it is possible to the data analytics for a student who is every student. See, Harshvardhan, this data science, data analytics, this web dev, app dev, all of these things, these are such kinds of fields where you do not require any sort of, if you're a very good student or an average student or a below average student, doesn't require that any of the things. What it requires is that how much effort you can put into it, right, and how much practice you can do into that same thing, so that the things go well at your end. That's what all it matters up over there. So Harshvardhan, it's not ever necessary for you to be very good in your physics, chemistry or mathematics, not at all needed. It's just that what you need is maybe a will to learn something, okay, a zeal to practice out the things, and yeah, that's all enough for being a very good data analyst or very good any of the fields. In any of the fields you can rock actually. So yeah, okay, keep that in mind. Okay, fine everyone. So what I'm going to do is that I'll start on with the project for today. Okay, and just one thing, maybe it might happen that sometime in the between my internet's not working, so maybe it happened that abruptly the live stream ends. Okay, so I'll just very quickly start out a new live stream also. Okay, so you can just wait for next 4 to 5 minutes for any of the notifications from my channel, and you'll get the notification for a new live stream being started if the project is not completed. Okay, so first one, at this very time I'm saying sorry for that, because at my end the internet is not very good today. Okay, so it might happen that in some time it gets disconnected or anything like that. Okay, so I hope you people will manage it for today. Okay. Okay, so awesome, great everyone. What we'll do, I'll help you out with the project for today, that we are gonna do, and that we'll be doing it for today and analyzing up the things over that particular project. Okay, just allow me a minute everyone. Okay, so yes, fine everyone. Great. So today's project which we are having in for here, we are gonna make in some sort of a very simple type of game. Okay, it's gonna be a very simple game, right? And that simple game will be and that simple game we will be making in here for today with the help of your Python programming language, right? So what I'll do, I'll introduce you to the same thing. So we will make a sort of a game into which you will be entering out some random values. You'll be putting in some random value maybe over there. Okay, and once you have put down any random value, so with the help of that respective value, you will be getting in some message that you should enter a value greater than this, or you should enter up a value less than this, or some things like that, right? So once you had put in the value, so it will help you to guessing out some random value which is being generated by a random module in Python. So what we can do is that we can add in some chances that okay, I'm going to give you 5 chances or maybe 3 chances. Into that, if you guessed out the number, it's well and good, otherwise you lose out this game. Some things like that could be done upon and worked upon, right? So that is what is the respective thing that we need to do up over here today, right? That is a sort of a project. Now it's awesome, actually. It's gonna be a super fun making out this one, because there you do not know that what value you have to enter. Let's say there's some random value which might be taken by the computer only, okay? After that, let's say I entered 10. So if a value is greater than 10, it will help me that it will help me with that it should be greater. Or if the value is less than 10, it will like let me know that put up a lesser value. Some things like that, some indications like that I'll get in, and with the help of that respective thing, it will be worked out. So that is what you have to do up over here in this respective project. Okay, just please ignore that background noise. I'm sorry for that. Okay, great. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just simply gonna like put down some of my modules over here. Okay, that will help me to do up this further project. So I'm gonna put up first of all import, and I'm gonna put up my random module. So import random. So random is my respective module that I will be using up over here. I'll be taking it I'll be taking out my random values with the help of this random module. Okay, module means that you actually do not need to install that onto your device. You just simply need to write an import random, and it automatically comes pre-installed with your Python programming language, right? So okay everyone, if I'm clear with the things to you all, if you people can drop yes or no something in the chat box for my confirmation, I'll really happy to confirm out the things. Okay, Jitendra, thank you. Thanks a lot for confirming out. Okay, Snehal, thank you. Thanks a lot for confirming out. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for confirmations. Let's proceed in over here. Okay, Parvez, thank you. Thanks a lot for confirmation. Let's proceed in up over here, and what I'm going to do is that I can take in a like respective variable, and into that I'm going to put down some of my functions, right? So let's take a variable, let's say a. Okay, I'm going to write random dot rand int. See, I am taking this respective program, I'm making this respective project for the sake of the integer numbers only over there. Okay, I'll only and only put up the integer numbers. So I'm gonna do a is equal to random plus rand int, and my like values will range in between 0, 20. Now see, this range gives us, actually makes this project, make this game a little bit easier, because we know that the value which is being taken by the computer, it will range in from 0 up till 20. Right, so it becomes easier for us to understand out the things. If I just simply write random.randint, so it can take any value. It can take either 0 also, or either it can take 10,000 also. Right, so now in that case it won't be possible for us at any cost to determine that respective random value. Right, so you should always take in a sort of a range over here, as in I took a 0, 20. So it again depends on to you, like what kind of a range you want to put up and how do you want to take it further. Perfect. Let's get down next, and I'm gonna do for the chances. Chances is equal to 0. Right, means that I'm just simply gonna put up a chances variable. Okay, and I'm simply gonna put that as 0 for now. Right, done. Further, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take up the respective variable as a find, and I'm gonna put that as false. Okay, just a second, false. Okay, this find is equal to false. What it will do, it will actually help me to like check in if my value which was actually taken by my computer or at the back end, is that particular value being founded out by me or not. Okay, that is what it is going to help out. So in that case, find is equal to false. Right, so if you people can get me out a confirmation up to this particular place, am I clear with all of the stuffs to all of you? Whatever I have told you up till now about this particular project, it's not gonna be difficult, guys. It's gonna be a super simple one. Okay, it's not gonna be a very difficult one, so not to worry for that thing. Just get me a confirmation, am I clear up to this particular place? Okay, Parveez, thank you. Thanks a lot for your confirmation. Okay, cool everyone. This is done. Now next what I'll do, I'll just like put in up a loop for me. Okay, I'll just put in up a loop for me. So my loop goes while not find. Okay, it means that my this while loop which I'm gonna put it out over here, it should continue up till the value for find is not false. Okay, or you can understand it in such a manner. Okay, Ankit, thank you, thanks a lot for the confirmation. So, or otherwise we can set it in a manner that while not find, so while not, and in find what we have, so while not false, it means that my condition goes in while true up till my infinite loop. And I hope you all know that whenever we have anything as in a condition where while true we put out, that's a sort of a infinite loop for us, right? So while not find. Okay, next is we are having up a variable as choice. Okay, now into that I'm going to take in the integer from the user. I will take up the input from the user. So int, here goes in my input, and here I have let's say my sentence goes guess the number. Okay, guess the number. Let's say that is what is my sentence over here. So choice is my variable. Into that I have taken up the int as an integer. Input means that it will help me to take in the input from the user, and what sentence do I want it to get in print up over here? That is guess the number, right? Okay, done. Next what I'm going to do, I'm going to write chances. Chances is one of my variables. Plus is equal to 1. So as soon as I will, like in maybe in whatsoever the options, or maybe in whatsoever the time, I will just put in up, or I'll just find in my correct number. Time by time my chances will keep on increasing and increasing. See, now it might happen that might some of you can put up a sort of a condition over here, and that could be a condition as in that while chances is less than this or less than that, up till that only your loop will work out. Okay, for now I'm not gonna put out any condition or anything like that. It's just that key I am simply putting up this variable and setting that as onto a increment condition. So as soon as I'll keep on increasing up the things, here the things will keep on increasing and increasing and increasing. Okay, so cool. So am I clear up till this particular place, guys, that how to take in the input from the user, maybe why I am adding this chances plus is equal to 1. Okay, one more thing over here. This sentence which I have written, this actually means chances is equal to chances plus 1. So maybe whenever we use up the assignment operator on to the behalf of this, or whenever we use up the assignment operator with the things, that is this is how we write up chances plus equal to 1. In real, it means chances is equal to chances plus 1. Okay, so yeah, that is what is the respective thing over here. So yes everyone, am I clear with this particular thing up till now to each and every one of you over here? Are we clear up with the things, guys? Just a minute everyone. Yeah, done boys. Sometimes the bots and some things are over here. Yes guys, am I clear with the things to all of you? Okay, fine, super cool everyone. Let's proceed in guys over here. Okay, Aditya, from where can we study machine learning for third year? Aditya, like, okay, you can refer out or maybe you can refer out my channel only, where I have covered in some of the things for machine learning for Python for machine learning that I have covered in. Rather you can take in any you can take in any certification, not proper certification, but yeah, the certification which you may be getting from Udemy, okay, or you can refer out any of the YouTube channels for that, Aditya, and even you can refer out maybe I'll say any book if you like read out the books, if you understand from the books. So book I suggest you can refer the book of the O'Reilly. Okay, that is the author O'Reilly. So his books for data science and machine learning are very awesome. So you can refer out that book also. So it basically depends what is the way and how do you want to proceed in with. All the options are over there. Okay, Pravesh, that's not a issue. It's most welcome for that. Okay, Ankit, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. Proceeding in further, we are having a condition to put down. So my condition goes if choice is equal to A. It means that now the choice is what? It is the variable which is being taken up by me. It is a number which is being given by me in the into the input from the user. That is what is choice, right? And what is A? A is generally our random variable which is getting which is getting generated with the help of my random function. So I'm checking if the choice which I have given, means if the number which I have given and the number which is automatically taken in by the computer, if both of the numbers are similar or not. If similar, so I'll put in a condition that my find will convert it true. So it means that my find will convert it to true. So here my find will then become false. So here now it will become while not false. Not false, sorry, while not true. While not true means false, right? So while false, and my loop will break over there only, right? That is what is being done up over here. Coming down, I can print in up a sentence, and that is maybe hooray, I can print in hooray, we got the correct number, right? Like this, maybe we can put down hooray, we get the correct number. Fine. And now if this is not the choice, after this I have two options with me. One is that I'll be printing in that is the number greater than this or is the number less than this, right? And so this is my two conditions. One, I'll check that if the number is greater than this, right? And my second condition will be if my number is less than this. So elif, my condition goes in if choice is greater than a. It means that the number which I have given, if that number is greater than the number which is being generated by the computer, I can print in up a sentence over there, and that is I'll put it in a manner, try to give some lesser number. So again I'll say if the choice, if the number which I have written, if that number is greater than the number which is automatically being taken by the computer, in that case I'm going to print up the sentence that try to give some lesser number. If this is not the condition, I'll simply write else and print in out a condition, print in out a sentence. Now else part, what it will be taking automatically, it will take automatically that if the number which I have given, if that number is less than the automatically generated number by the computer, so in that case I'm going to write try to give some greater number, right? So these can be some two of the conditions which could be taken over here, right? First condition is that if the choice is greater than a, and second is maybe if the choice is less than a, right? So if my choice is a, it means that if the both of the things are equal to each other, means the choice which I have given and choice which is taken by the computer, if those are equal, then that's good. We are going to write we got the correct number. If the number which I have, if that number is greater than the automatically generated number by the random function, in that case I'll get try to give some lesser number. And if the number which I have given that is less than the automatically generated number by my random module, I'll get up a sentence that try to give some greater number. That is what respective thing is being done up over here. So if I can get in a confirmation from everyone that am I clear up till this particular place to all of you over here, guys? Okay. Pervez, how much time will it take to become a data scientist? See, Pervez, it all depends about your maybe the pace of learning also, about your practicing up the things also. But if you ask me out a normal way, so I can say if you maybe like do properly the things, it might take you 6 to 8 months, right, for entering into this field completely and being a person ready for giving up your interviews and entering to this field. So it might take maybe somewhat around 6 to 8 months for you to get job ready in for a data scientist role. Okay, so I hope I'm clear. Okay, Aditya, it's most welcome for you, most welcome. Harpreet, we are actually making up a project where we are actually making up a game which will help us to finding up some randomly generated numbers from our random module. Okay, Praveen, if till now you got it, then it's all done because the project is all completed. We are gonna run this out now and check it out how it works out. So let's say I'm guessing a number as 14. Okay, I need to try and giving some lesser number. Let's say my lesser number is 10. Now see what I got that I entered 14, so it asked me to give some lesser number. Let's say I gave 10. Now it is asking me to give some greater number. It means that my number is lying between 10 to 14. I'll give, let's say, 12. Again it is asking me to give some greater number. Now 14, when I entered 14, it asked me to give lesser, right? When I'm entering 12, it is asking me to give greater, so automatically my number will be 13. And that's my correct answer. That is hooray, we got the correct answer, right? This is how we have designed up this respective game. Now if you want to make it up a sort of a little difficult or some things like that, in that case you can put in some chances. Maybe you will get maybe 5 maximum chances, right? Or you can make up the random values generated between 0 up till 50. I have made only 20. You can maybe give it up till 50, right? 0 to 50. In that manner you can make it up a difficult one. I'll give it a try once again. I'm guessing a number, let's say that is 12. You have to try giving some greater number. Let's say it's gonna be 19. Now between 12 and 19 my number is gonna be, let's say I gave 15. Now it will be greater than 15 and less than 90. Let's say I gave 17. And yeah, we got the correct answer, right? So that's how this completely game has been designed out, and this is how you will be working out with this thing. I know it's quite a little simple one, but yeah, it's quite a logical game as well. So if you give it some try at your end, you can develop it into a GUI based game, and yeah, you can convert this into completely a GUI. Maybe adding in some good options as in stopwatch. Maybe you can put up some stopwatch time over here, or maybe you can put in up some maximum score game over here, or you can set it up that okay, you'll be giving only 5 chances, and that only you have to choose out. Some things like that could be worked out, and literally you can make this game a so awesome game to play out for the people, right? Okay, boys, I'm very glad that you enjoyed this game. Thank you for that thing. So this is how you design up the things, and this is how you actually use up the modules for making up the projects. It's not always that the project is gonna be a Super Mario project only, where a person is gonna jump over and climb over the thing. It's not always like that, right? There are some simple projects as well that are being done in which we make in, and slowly and gradually we will try to make this a increase in the things. We'll try to put in the GUIs, and we'll try to give in some more options over here. So slowly and slowly we'll be trying to make it advanced, as much as advanced we can. It's not always that once you started making the very first project and you had made it a sort of a very very advanced project. It's not always like that, right? So we need practice for the things. So never think of that as any project is very less or very small or very big or very basic, very advanced. Never like that. Okay, project is always a project. So yeah, everyone, I'm clear up with the things to each and every one of you, whatever we have discussed up over here, guys. Are we clear with all the stuffs, everyone? Okay. Okay, so yeah, fine everyone. I hope you all might have enjoyed making up this project with me over here. Even I like literally enjoy the project. Even I enjoy doing up this live streams for you all over here, coming up over here, interacting with you people over here, right? Talking to you all. Okay, Ankit, thank you. Thanks a lot for the confirmation. So yeah, it's always awesome for me to come live for you all to discuss up the things, right? So to solve in your queries, to have in some general conversations also with you all. Great. So yeah, that's all from my side for today. And maybe if you want any special projects to be done in any other respective live streams, so you can comment down the things onto any of my recent videos. You can let me give your suggestions over there. Okay, you can give me a suggestions that please do this project or that project into the next live stream, and I'm really happy to consider that for you all and further process make that particular project in the next live stream. Okay, so anytime your suggestions are all needed, you can follow me on LinkedIn, that is Shambhavi Gupta. You can follow me on Insta, Shambhavi_Gupta4. Twitter, it's at @funwithdata SCI1, and the channel to you all are present. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel up till now, please go ahead everyone, subscribe out the channel as well, and do not forget to share it with your friends also. Okay, Ishad, which course follow for machine learning AI? Ishad, see, you can check out any of the recent courses which are being given in by the different edtechs. Okay, just consider three things over in that what's the duration for that. Maybe it should be some 6 to 8 months of duration. Maybe you can check out the pricing at your end as well, whatever is the suitable or the convincing pricing for the same course, and check out about the topics which are being covered, right? And yeah, you can take out the particular course from any of the respective edtechs. Fine, because currently whatever the edtechs are in the market, all are providing in some good quality and the things. So yeah, you can go ahead with that. Fine. Great everyone, so it was so awesome making up this project with you people over here. I literally enjoyed out a lot, and maybe you people have also enjoyed out a lot. So that's all from my side for this live stream. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening, with some more new things, some more new projects for you all. And till then, thank you everyone, take care, stay tuned on to the channel, because so very much awesome content is currently coming, and very much informative is also coming for cracking up your mind companies, right? So stay tuned over here. Thank you everyone, bye bye guys, and take care. Have a great week ahead, all of you. Okay, Vrishali, just let me answer her question. Vrishali, which is best book to learn Python? Okay, Vrishali, for learning in Python, now you can refer out the book. Okay, what you can do, if you want some book as in some online PDFs, okay, what you can do is that you can go over the maybe you can go over Google over there, right? Search on some PDFs for some free books, and okay, you'll get in some PDFs. Maybe you can check in some first or second books. I don't actually remember the name, but the book which I referred is the best one. That is from O'Reilly. O'Reilly is one of the authors who is producing the best books, maybe in your field of data science, your AI, and your machine learning. Okay, so refer to that respective book by O'Reilly. He gives you Python also. He gives you Python for data science also. He gives you data structures and algorithm, machine learning for Python also. So yeah, whatever is your respective one which you want to take in, consider that, take that book, and further you can proceed in with that and study from that. Right, that is what you can do for the books for your Python. Okay, hope that works in for you. Okay, most welcome Ishad, most welcome Parvez. Krishna, can do videos on Hadoop? Okay, sure Krishna, I'll surely try to consider this for you. So maybe once this DSA and the things are being completed, we'll try to bring in the Hadoop onto the channel, and yeah, further we can proceed in with that same. Okay, so thanks a lot for your suggestion, Krishna. Okay, yeah, Vishali, I hope that worked in for you, the suggestion which I have given you of the book O'Reilly. Okay, Pervez is giving some suggestion as well. You can refer the robust Python also. So yeah, people can you can refer that also. Okay, most welcome Vishali. So thank you everyone. Thanks a lot for joining in the session. Thank you guys over here. It was wonderful having you people, and having you people all over here in this live stream. See you all in the next live stream on next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. So thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead.